This is my Mazdaspeed 6, and today we're going to be installing a 3-inch exhaust cutout on it, and this is how you scare the hell out of yourself. That's right, just drop your camera. Alright, so, here's the actual cutout, and we've got the controller. Looks like some remote and hardware. Next thing to do is jack the thing up, and of course put it on stands, don't be an idiot. Yep. And here's me just kind of checking the orientation and seeing what I like. This is the area I'm thinking I'm going to put it in. And indeed it fits, so now we're going to go ahead and get it marked up. Marks have been made. Now we take it back down and get ready to pull the downpipe out. Gotta unlock the car so it doesn't start screaming at us when we open the hood. Put the key on top of it, pop the hood, open it, and don't forget, put your speed in work mode. Yes, remove the prop, put it over in this little hole, lift the hood a little higher, and there you go. You've got all kinds of access. Now we're getting ready to pull the wastegate off and remove the downpipe so we can start cutting it. Now that we've gotten the clamp removed, time to pull out the wastegate, and here comes the baby. It's a boy. Oh no, it's a man. Holy shit. And next up we need to get the oxygen sensor connectors out of the way, since I'm probably going to be leaving the sensor in the downpipe until I get ready to actually weld. And the downpipe is out. Sensor's obviously still in it. Now I'm going to go ahead and make sure I'm happy with everything here before I cut it, since making a new downpipe would be hard. And here's the moment in which I question everything I'm doing with my life. And now it's too late to go back. As if once wasn't enough, it's time for another cut. Here's our old piece, and here's our cutout. Sizes match, it's time to go. And we're dropping the downpipe back into the car so I can start mocking everything up and get a spot to actually tack the cutout in. Here I'm using the jack to raise the exhaust up to get an actual feel for how it's all going to fit together. Pop in from the bottom left corner if your car's slow. Yeah, that's right, dumbass. And to get a real position and make sure everything actually fits correctly when installed, I am tightening the downpipe up now onto the V-band flange on the outlet of the turbo to make sure that, like I said, it all fits the way it's supposed to. Just a little bit of a 45-ish degree angle here on the cutout before we tack it up. A quick tack. Let's pretend this was my first attempt. The tungsten's bright red. You can tell it wasn't my first attempt, but it is going. My inexperience is showing though. Oh, and there's another one, nice and bright. Hope that hurts your eyes. can see the frustration as the helmet flashes me yet again. So what do we do with this nice 3M helmet? Well, a little bit of yeet. And we grab our trusty Harbor Freight helmet that has yet to have flashed me ever. Flip. And with a couple of shoddy tacks, we can take this back to the car and go test fit it. I'm raising the exhaust here to try and get an idea of its actual installation position. And it looks like it's all going to fit without any major strain. So now we put it back up into place and make a mark. Before we take it down to, okay, we're making another mark before we take, and there's 3 now. 4, 5, that's probably enough, but 6, okay, 7, that's definitely enough, 8, not 9 marks. We're doing graffiti on the exhaust, okay. Time for the flip! And now the dip. Yep. The shake of shame. Pull the tungsten out and grind it down again. Now we place our dipstick back in the, the tungsten back in the torch, and continue to make tack welds. And back over to the car to go and test fit it one more time. It fits perfectly, so now we're cleaning it off in preparation to weld everything together. Pull this little dingleberry off here. Well, that's our TV.